Morning! So I've left it to the last day possible to show you guys what we've been packing and what things have been going on, also what we're doing on this trip. So I want to quickly show you in here. This is my 20 litre front bag you see on the front. It's quite impressive what it's squeezed in there. One sleeping bag, that's a Spark, Sea to Summit Spark. We have 2 Outkit Numo roll mats. We then have 2 pillows. We have a lovely Amazon Jobby and my new fancy Sea to Summit Eros pillow. It's very nice. There's some down filling. And then we have another sleeping bag. That's my winter sleeping bag, which is a Rab. At the bottom, we have the Hubba NX tent, the 2-man tent, and it's been really quite luxurious and quite comfortable. So yeah, I can squeeze all of our sleeping, everything to do with sleeping, in that front bag. Best things we brought on this trip was 2 chairs. This is luxury times, everyone. We've got 2 chairs. You haven't seen these yet, but I've mentioned them. These are the Helinox Zeros, and they are crazy. They weigh like 400 grams, and they fold up in seconds. Boff, 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 boff. Yes, and if you want to underneath put down all your Aldi suggestions, good luck getting them. And I have to say, trying to carry 2, every gram does count. But yes, I know there's cheaper versions of them out there, but I have to say, the bad boy, the real thing, is pretty good. A few seconds, wherever you are, you've got a full armchair, comfort in the evening. Quickly wrap it up in that. Often do a little bit better job on this. And that's it. Super small, super light, another piece of equipment that can change the way you camp. So yes, I'm buying expensive lightweight stuff so I can carry more stuff. And in this bag, it's full of so much art supplies and rubbish and books and guidebooks you wouldn't believe it. Just to show you our little art setup. What have we got going on in here? So, in here, we've got 2 nice homemade sketchbooks, which we've actually both filled up, which is quite nice. You know, really, really nice sketches the whole entire time, and I'll show you some of those a bit closer up later on. And she's got a nice little sketchbook in here, some beautiful bits of work. And then in the old art thing, a nice little palette, lots of colours, lots of space to mix. Daniel Smith's watercolour paints in there if anyone cares. My new water cup. Hop. It's a collapsible shot cup off of Amazon, like 2 or 3 quid. Really good. Nice pens, a few brush pens, a few clips to clip the books back, and then some new fancy Da Vinci Sable, lovely, lovely collapsible brushes. Another extra thing I've not really carried before is a decent lock. I normally only carry something tiny. I've got this nice little Bontrager Abus lock. Concertina is up, I think it's called a Bordeaux or something like that. Fix them. And the reason why I bought it was we knew we wanted to go to St David's, go to the cathedral, have a look around some shops, so a bit more of a shopping and holiday rather than a biking holiday, so hence I bought a proper lock. But great position for it. If you come over here, it just literally slots into this little cage. I've got 2 bottle cages bolts on the bottom of my bike, slots in there nicely. Have a little Velcro strap that hasn't budged, hasn't gone anywhere. Has filled up with sand, so I think I need to nuke it with GT85 when I get home to lube it up again. But yeah, it's worked quite nicely. This is our last day. I've not been filming, I've been doing lots of shots and stuff, but it hasn't been a riding journey. It's been an experience, being in this weather, the landscapes, so much art going on. We've done, I don't know how many paintings, about 30, 40 paintings this holiday. It's been nice being creative, enjoying ourselves, sitting here, just sit here for hours in the morning, looking at the view, tent down straight away, first thing. Then we just sit out and chill out and just see what's going on. So thank you for joining us, and to our next adventure together, ciao for now.